Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be doing the ultimate craft beer taste. Is craft beer really that good versus domestics? So what I'm going to be doing is a blind taste test with a bunch of random people. Big beer drinkers, non-beer drinkers, medium beer drinkers, all sorts. Can they pick out the craft beer out of a lineup of domestic beers? Or will a domestic come out on top? Let's find out. So like I said, we're going to be doing a beer taste test. Is craft beer really that good? Now what I tried to do was find a very well-distributed craft beer. Now I know technically this is a domestically owned, but it is still considered craft. Craft enough anyways. And so I'm putting it up against the more widely available domestics. Let's see which one comes out on top. Okay, so all you have to do is just rate them best to worst.
Okay, let's start from here.
Yep. Try to keep them in order.
Alright.
Rank these 1 through 5. 1 being your favorite, 5 being the worst.
Oh.
Bonus points if you can guess what beer is what.
Okay. So do you want me to rate them first, or do you want me to tell you as I drink? Okay.
Whatever you'd like to do.
We'll start with this one.
Okay, so all you have to do is just rate these 1 through 5, best to worst.
Okay.
1 being your favorite, 5 being your worst.
Alrighty.
And keep them in that order. Okay, so just go ahead and rank your favorite to worst 1 through 5.
Favorite to worst, 1 through 5.
Bonus points if you can figure out what it is. Okay, so all you have to do is rank these 1 through 5 as your favorite. 1 being the best, 5 being the worst. And just try to keep them in the same order. So just point to which ones you like the best.
Okay.
Bonus points if you can guess. But I doubt you drink any of these.
Flavor would be nice.
Bonus points if you guess the right beer.
That's gonna be hard because I don't drink domestic.
Very watery tasting. A little bit less watery.
Kind of tastes like water. So that's the Bush. I'm gonna go with the Banquet.
That one has a little bit of a cidery flavor to it. That's not good.
Yeah, so far they all taste the same. Like literally the exact same.
Oh golly. This is gonna be real interesting. Whew. I think that's a Bush. That's even less than not good.
I like how you take the most smallest sips possible.
What were they again?
We have Budweiser, Coors Banquet, Busch, Heineken, and 10 Barrels Pub Beer.
That's the craft beer, right?
That's the craft one.
Is that one the craft? That would be my guess, but... Oh...
Craft is supposed to be the best.
Uh-huh. That's not necessarily what I would say that is the best, but that's the one I'd say might be the most flavorful. Ugh. I'm gonna get over.
That's a 10 barrel.
Now you saw what beers were there, so if you want to take a guess at any of them.
I think this one. I think this one's the Coors Banquet.
Okay.
That's my guess.
Anything pop out?
I didn't mind that one. I think this one's a Coors Banquet. I'm not positive though.
I want to say Bush, maybe.
Okay.
These two taste like almost like nothing.
Is that a good thing? A bad thing?
That's a. Why? I may as well just drink water.
They're all about the same.
Let's see. What's the other one?
Busch, Coors, Budweiser, Heineken.
Oh, this one right here. This is Budweiser, right here.
Okay.
I don't even want to try that again because it basically, like, yeah. All right. Now we gotta rate these.
You can try them again.
Yeah. One is best or one is worst?
One is best.
One is best. Okay, got it. All right. Okay. I'm gonna say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This one is probably my favorite, if I had to choose one. These two are equally gross, but this one is my least favorite.
Okay, so that's your number 5.
So 5 and 1.
5 and 1. And what would the other ones be?
Two, 3, 4.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go with. Well, I liked this one, so 1. That's 5. I'm gonna say this is the 10 barrel, and I'm gonna say that's the Busch. I think that's Coors.
Okay.
I don't know about these two. They. I think you poured the same can in two different things. So I'm gonna go with 1. I like that one the most, and then 2, and then we'll just say 3, 4, 5. But I have no idea which one is which. 5. I thought there was 4.
It's 5. All right, so best to worst, and just point.
I'm just gonna say, I like the Coors probably best. This would have to be the worst.
Okay.
I'm gonna say, okay, so let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my guess. And yeah, I don't know. Like it's I need something to eat. This is just awful. This is so bad.
I'm just gonna leave them in that order because
So
they're
you
like.
what was your favorite to worst? 1
So
through
I'm gonna
5.
say favorite was probably this one.
So that would be your number 1.
Mm-hmm. This one has a little more body to it ish. This one was probably the worst.
Okay.
And then I'll go this one, that one,
And then the middle
and
one.
then the middle one is probably
3, or that would be 4.
yeah, that one's probably 4. This is the worst, so that's number 5 for sure.
Okay.
Yep.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah.
All right.
Like this one, I think is probably my favorite one, but I don't really care for any of them. But I think that's probably the one I could tolerate the most.
Tolerate the most. All right. So that would be your number 1. What's 2, 3, 4, and 5?
That's number 5.
Okay.
That'd be number 2, 3 or 4. So.
3 or 4.
Yeah.
All right. All right. This is actually the hard.
Yeah.
All right. Well. I don't remember the last time I've had Busch though. That's either the Busch or the Heineken. That's Heineken. That's probably Busch. That's 10 barrel. Okay. Question is 10 barrel better? Pretty sure this is Budweiser. this is the least flavorful. Overcarbonated. That's gotta be Heineken, I swear. Alright. So I'm gonna go with Budweiser, Busch, Heineken. That would make this Coors Banquet and 10 Barrel. And then I would probably rate, let's see. As far as what I'd want to drink, and it is a pretty warm day today, I'm actually probably going to go with this one. This is going to be number 1. This is going to be number 2. This is number 5, 3, and 4 is what I'm going to guess. And I have people in the background shaking their heads. So I have no clue what these are. So we'll just have to find out. And yeah. All right, so what were they?
So starting on your right, Heineken.
This is Heineken?
Yep.
Okay. Wow, that's bad.
Totally deceiving, right?
That is very deceiving. Didn't care. Okay.
Yep. Number 2 is Bud.
Okay.
Number 3 is Busch.
Okay.
Nailed it. Coors, 10 Barrel.
Yeah, okay, so these
So
two.
you got those 2.
I got those 2. This one has a bit more of a malty, thicker body.
That's what I was looking for when I came.
And then even visually seeing this, I thought this was 10 Barrel. Because it's a bit more gold. Yeah, it's a bit golder. Really, this is Heineken?
Did I swear to you it is?
I would have thought it would have smelled way worse.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
What's the lightest one?
That's the Bud.
That's a Bud.
But the
And
Bud,
this is
that's the
Busch.
So those 2 are very, very similar.
Very
Maybe
similar,
that's
yeah. And then this is
Bud and
the
Busch.
Coors.
That's the Coors, yeah. Which I expected a little more of, of course.
I expected it to be pretty crisp.
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting. All right. Now, some pretty interesting results we got to see here. Now, technically, 10 Barrel's Pub Beer Lager did win with the score of least offensive beer. But however, it wasn't the number 1 choice all the time. In fact, it seemed to be a big toss-up, and no one can get more than 2 of these correct because they all pretty much tasted the exact same. And as you can also see is that Budweiser did come in with the highest, most offensive score, but it wasn't really more that it was offensive, it was that it just lacked flavor. So if you are looking for that lawnmower beer that is cheap, and you're looking for the least skunky flavor or least offensive flavor, Budweiser actually might be an option for you. And we also saw that most people said that the 10 Barrel had just a little bit more of an interesting flavor ever so slightly, hinting again that craft does have a bit more flavor, even if it is at a mass appeal. So, maybe if you're looking for a good lager, go check out your local craft brewery. If you're looking for a cheap, non-offensive, tastes absolutely like nothing, maybe try Budweiser. I'm not endorsing Budweiser by any means. Just want to get that out. Okay. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links will be at the very bottom of the description. And make sure to, well, share this video with all of your friends and share my channel. Would love the subs. So if you like the concept of this video or had any ideas for your own video, let me know in the comments below.